Okay, so for my extra credit project, I wrote a program in Java that processes a given sequence of 5 numbers and returns whether it's arithmetic, geometric, or neither, and it also returns the common ratio or common difference. So the first sequence that I'm going to be doing is 2, 7, 12, 17, and 22. So just by looking at this, you can tell that it's an arithmetic sequence with a common difference of 5 because every term increases by 5. So I'm just going to run that in my program. And yeah, as you can see, it returns that it's arithmetic and has a common difference of 5. And so now we want to find the nth term, and we enter that n is 10, and it returns that the 10th term is 47. And so now we're just going to run it again with a different sequence. So we're going to do 1/2, 1, 2, 4, and 8. And you can see that that's a geometric sequence because every term is multiplied by 2. So the common ratio would be 2. And so yeah, so it does return that it's geometric and has a ratio of 2, and the 6th term returns a value of 16, and we're just going to run it again with 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, and so you can see that that's arithmetic with a common difference of 1, and then we want to find the 100th term. And when we run that, it returns 99. Okay, so continuing on, so we're just going to run the program again, and this time we're going to use 1, 1, 1, 1, 1. So that's actually both geometric and arithmetic. So in terms of a geometric sequence, the common ratio is just 1. And for arithmetic, the common difference is 0. And so yeah, it does return that. And we're going to try to find the 95th term. So yeah, once you run that, it returns both the arithmetic term and the geometric term, which are both 1. And so yeah, we're just going to run it again with a different case. And so we're going to do a sequence of 2, 5, 1, 6, and 9. And as you can see, that's actually neither geometric nor arithmetic. And it doesn't really have a rule to it. It's just a sequence of 5 random numbers. And so the program does return that it's neither arithmetic or geometric. It doesn't ask for n because you can't really find it. There's no rule for the sequence. And it doesn't return the common ratio or difference. And so now we're going to try it with a different sequence. We're going to do 1, -1, 1, -1, and 1. So you can see that this is just a geometric sequence with alternating signs. So that means that the common ratio is -1. And you can see that if the first term is 1, then you know that every odd term is going to be +1 and every even term is -1. So when you ask for the 7th term, it returns +1. And then when you ask for the 8th term, which is even, then it's going to return -1, which is true. And so yeah, that was my project. Yeah.